Hey everybody, Chef Kimber Dean here with the Holistic Kitchen short videos again. Today I want to do my favorite vegan chocolate. I wrote this recipe about, 8-9 years ago, and I use it for everything. I pipe chocolate chips for my cookies and my smoothie bowls. I make chocolate bark, I make bars, I make almond butter cups, and chocolate covered strawberries. So that is what we're gonna do today, is our chocolate covered strawberries. I have already heated our coconut oil and our maple syrup. So I'm just gonna take that and add it to our raw cacao powder. I use raw cacao powder all the time. It's just the raw form of the cacao plant instead of cooking it like cocoa powder. So you're gonna get more antioxidants, polyphenols, more minerals like magnesium. This is one of the most magnesium-rich foods out there. So it's just really great, since most people are magnesium deficient, to get that while you're eating a dessert like this. Now we're just gonna whisk it until it's smooth and shiny. So no lumps, no need to sift it. And then we added just a touch of sea salt in that raw cacao powder as well. So there's our beautiful chocolate. And now we're just gonna take our organic strawberries. So I took these and I rinsed them off. Of course, they're organic, but we still wanna rinse them, and I just patted them dry. And we're gonna grab the tops of our strawberries, get all the leaves out of the way, and then just slowly dip it around and place it on our parchment paper. So you wanna make sure that your parchment paper isn't waxed, or else that oil is gonna attach to the chocolate and it's gonna make it more moist, and it's not gonna solidify for you. And these are great because you can make them right before a party, or you can have them ready in your fridge maybe just the day before. You don't wanna do too early. And I actually like to add maybe some vanilla extract or orange extract. Some people like peppermint extract. That's not my thing, but I say do what you like. So with the rest of this chocolate that I have, I don't like to waste anything. So you could put it in a Ziploc bag and just pipe chocolate chips on this side. I'm actually gonna make a fun chocolate bark, because why not? I love chocolate bark. So with this, we wanna make a nice rectangle shape and try to get it the same thickness if you can, or whatever shape you wanna find, just without running into those strawberries. And the thinner you make it, the more room you'll have to put toppings, just the less chocolate you'll get. Perfect. So I just have some organic blueberries that I rinsed off. We have some organic salted cashews, and I do have some fun coarse ground Himalayan salt. So I always love to make sure there's a lot of color on anything I do. Let me take that guy off. I'm gonna do just a couple cashews, get some protein on there with those berries that are really high in antioxidants. They're great for your brain. And so I don't like to do too much of this coarse pink Himalayan salt, just because sometimes it can be a lot to bite down on. So it'll kind of get softer as it sits with the chocolate, but try not to do too much around it, just so that everyone gets a little bite wherever you break it. Perfect. And Himalayan salt is just such a great electrolyte too. So this may be a dessert, but it has the protein, the fiber from the blueberries, all that magnesium, the minerals in the sea salt or the Himalayan salt. So we're gonna place this in the fridge for about 20 minutes, and then we'll bring it back out and I'll show you how to break it into pieces.